Stop by and take a look at the 2016 XTS. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, air suspension, rear, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, power brakes. Inside you'll find navigation system, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather upholstery, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, power steering. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.